Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now I am going to explain the project. The title of the project is a novel algorithm for cross-level frequent pattern mining in multi-dataset. This project comes under the concept of data mining. Now I am going to explain the abstract of this project. In a frequent pattern mining has become one of the most popular data mining approaches for the analysis of purchasing pattern. There are techniques such as a priori and FP growth which are typically restricted to a single concept level, and we extract our research to discover cross-level frequent patterns in multi-level environment, and we are going to do this project in a very well manner. In this study, a transaction detection technique with the FP tree based bottom-up approach is used for mining cross-level pattern. This method is using the concept of reduced support, and this is the abstract of this project. And now we move on to the workflow diagram of this project. This is the workflow diagram of the project, and dataset. This is the dataset which contains some multiple datas, and we can extract the datas from the dataset and apply association rule. Association rule is the main concept in data mining, and we implement that rule and finding the support and confident of the association. And after that we are going to implement the pattern tree, that is frequent pattern tree, and find the CCB tree. So the CCB stands for content category brand, and we used to find that CCB tree by using some algorithm. There is 3 algorithms used in this project. First one is a priori, second one is CCB tree, third one is frequent pattern. And we also use reduced transaction table using to reduce the order of the transaction table, and by that we are using FP tree generation also generated, and after that we are apply the cross frequent pattern generation. Finally we are going to evaluate the performance of the whole project. So this is all about the workflow diagram of this project, and now we move on to the project. Right, here we have the title of the project as a novel algorithm for cross level frequent pattern mining multi-dataset. Now we are going to browse the dataset which is presented in C:, that is new mushroom. The data conversion button is used to convert the text file into the SQL database. By clicking there, it shows the data that can be converted in the database. It is 344 data presented in that database. I just click that, and after that we are going to the multi-level association. We are going to associate the multiple dataset in this form. By clicking this, we are going to select the particular field, and by clicking the selected button, this particular several number of field can be selected into the another table. It can be displayed like this. After that we are giving some item set which we are going to find out the support and confidence for that. By clicking the support button, it shows the support level is 55.5% and OK. And after that we are going to find out the confidence. It is 83%. OK. Now we move on to the next form. It is find frequent item set. By clicking that button, we move on to that form. Now we are double click the text box. It shows which we already selected data set that can be displayed here. And now we give the item set in this text box. It will insert it in the database, and we now view that by clicking the view button, and it indicate that the 1 is indicate that the count is 26, and the 11 count is 20, and 114 is count is 8. And after that we are giving same to that 156 and view that. Similarly we are going to give the all. This is the candidate frequent item set, and we move on to the next form. We are going to construct the CCB tree in this form. The CCB tree is content category brand. By clicking the construct button, it constructs the CCB tree. We are categorizing the item set like this. and we are going to find out the minimum support count, that is 1, and we give into the text box. We are going to delete that by clicking the delete button. The minimum support count can be deleted. And now we move on to the next form. In this form we are going to find out the reduced transaction dataset, and by clicking the overview button, the data which selected in that previous form can be displayed, and we select and insert into the another table like this, and it is going to sort the item set like this. Select every data. By selecting this, it is going to sort the item set. Yeah. After that, we move on to the. This is all the items we are going to select that, and this already sorted in the format like this. And this is all the leaf node which is going to present in the another tree. And we are going to the next form. Now we are going to construct the FP tree, that is frequent pattern tree. This is called the class level frequent pattern tree. We are going to construct that by first we click the overview button, which we already selected, can be displayed into this text box, and after that we are going to construct the tree. The tree is in the format like this. We are going to now select the FP generation. This is the button which is going to generate the FP tree. This is already inserted into the dataset, and we give the leaf node like 233, and we just click the construct button. It constructed the tree like this. It is comes under the 233, and we move on to the first like this. We are going to the next form now. This is the form we are going to evaluate algorithm. First one is cross level frequent pattern mining, and the second one is mining cross level frequent pattern tree. And these axes, that is y axis shows the execution time and x axis show the number of transactions, and by clicking the V button it evaluates the performance of two algorithms. Okay, by clicking the close button it deletes all the information from the tables. At last we are going to stop the project, and thank you for watching the clickmyproject.com.